Welcome to Amsterdam, one of Europe's most exciting cities where history, culture, and natural beauty collide in one. This stunning city is known for its charming canals, centuries-old houses, and world-class museums, making Amsterdam a perfect blend of the old and the new. Whether you're a first-time visitor or a seasoned traveler, this 3-day itinerary will show you the very best the city has to offer. Whether you're here for the art, the food, or just to relax and soak up the culture, this guide has you covered. So pack your bags, brush up on your Dutch, and let's dive into an unforgettable 3-day journey through Amsterdam. Day 1. Amsterdam's cultural gems. Morning. Museums and masterpieces. If you're in Amsterdam, you may be fond of art. So, for the first day, we recommend you start your trip heading to the Museumplein, home to some of the world's most famous museums. First up is the Rijksmuseum, where you can admire masterpieces by Rembrandt, Vermeer, and other Dutch masters. This museum not only holds iconic works like the Night Watch by Rembrandt, but also has an extensive collection of Dutch art and history spanning over 800 years. Don't miss the stunning Gallery of Honor, where the most prized works are displayed under a beautiful arched ceiling. Next, visit the Van Gogh Museum, dedicated to the life and work of one of the world's most celebrated artists. The collection includes over 200 of Van Gogh's paintings, including sunflowers and The Bedroom. The museum provides fascinating insights into the troubled yet brilliant mind of Van Gogh, as you can also see his letters and learn about the personal struggles he faced throughout his life. It's not just about art, it's about understanding the man behind the masterpieces. If modern art is more your thing, check out the Stedelijk Museum, just steps away. This museum features a unique collection of contemporary art and design. The building itself is a mix of historic and modern architecture, reflecting its dynamic collection of works by artists like Piet Mondrian, Kazimir Malevich, and Andy Warhol. From paintings and sculptures to installations and digital art, something here inspires every art lover. Lunch, a bite at Vondal Park. For a relaxing lunch, head to nearby Vondal Park, Amsterdam's most famous green space. You can grab something to go from a cafe or a restaurant in the Museumplein area and enjoy it as you picnic by the park's ponds. Vondal Park is the perfect spot to people watch, as locals and tourists alike stroll, bike, and relax. It's a great way to experience the everyday life of Amsterdam. Afternoon, explore the canals by boat. Amsterdam is a city built around water, so what better way to explore than by boat? After lunch, hop on a canal cruise to see the city from a different perspective. Amsterdam's canals are a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and as you drift along the waterways, you'll get a glimpse of the city's rich history and stunning architecture. You'll glide past the famous Anne Frank House, the Westerkerk, and the beautiful canal-side houses, which are especially magical when bathed in the golden light of afternoon. For a more intimate experience, opt for a small boat or private tour instead of the large tourist boats. It's a more personal way to take in the sights, and you can even ask the captain to take you to some of the lesser-known canals for a quieter experience. Evening, dinner in Jordan. After a relaxing boat ride, head over to Jordan, one of Amsterdam's most picturesque neighborhoods. With its narrow streets, quaint cafes, and beautiful houses, it's a lovely place to wander around before dinner. For dinner, try Dalder, a Michelin-starred restaurant that serves up creative, modern dishes in a relaxed atmosphere. The chef here is known for taking familiar ingredients and turning them into something special, so prepare for a gastronomic adventure. If you prefer something more casual, Picnic offers delicious sandwiches and salads in a cozy setting. The ambiance here is laid back, and it's the perfect place to enjoy a light dinner before taking an evening stroll through the neighborhood. Day 2. Discovering Amsterdam's quirky side. Morning. Visit the Anne Frank House. Start your second day with a visit to the Anne Frank House, where Anne Frank and her family hid during World War II. This deeply moving museum tells the story of Anne's life, her diary, and the harrowing experience of living in hiding for over 2 years. As you walk through the narrow corridors and climb the steep staircases, you'll gain a powerful understanding of the fear, hope, and resilience experienced by Anne and her family. Be sure to book your tickets in advance, as it can sell out quickly. The museum offers an audio guide that walks you through the history, allowing for a reflective and intimate experience. Lunch. Local eats at Albert Kuip Market. Head to De Pip for lunch and explore the bustling Albert Kuip Market, one of the largest and most famous markets in the Netherlands. This vibrant market has been a staple of Amsterdam for over 100 years, offering everything from fresh produce to clothing. It's also a fantastic place to experience Dutch street food. Try a classic stroopwafel, a sweet syrup-filled waffle that is one of the country's most beloved treats. For something more adventurous, sample herring, a local delicacy that can be eaten raw with onions and pickles. After lunch, explore De Pip's cool and bohemian vibe. Pop into its shops, trendy cafes, and admire the colorful murals that decorate the area. Evening. Nightlife in Leidseplein. End your day in Leidseplein, one of Amsterdam's most lively nightlife districts. This area is filled with bars, clubs, and live music venues, offering something for every type of night owl. Whether you want to sip a cocktail at a chic bar or dance the night away, Leidseplein has something for everyone. For dinner, try Café de Klaas, famous for its hearty ribs and laid-back atmosphere. This cozy spot is a great way to fuel up before heading out for a night of entertainment. You can catch a live show, comedy act, or just enjoy the buzzing energy of the area. Day 3. Amsterdam's nature and neighborhoods. Morning. Biking through Amsterdam Nord. On your final day, take the free ferry across the IJ River to Amsterdam Nord, one of the city's most exciting up-and-coming neighborhoods. This area offers a completely different vibe from the city center. Rent a bike and explore this unique part of the city where industrial warehouses have been transformed into art galleries, creative spaces, and restaurants. Stop by NDSM Wharf, a former shipyard now filled with colorful street art and graffiti. It's a haven for artists and creatives, and you can spend hours wandering the area, discovering new murals and installations. The flea market here is also worth a visit, offering vintage clothes, antiques, and quirky souvenirs. Lunch. Café in Nord. Grab lunch at Plek, a trendy waterfront restaurant made from shipping containers. The restaurant's relaxed atmosphere and stunning views of the river make it the perfect spot to unwind. The menu features locally sourced ingredients and offers everything from Dutch classics to international dishes. Afternoon. The flower market at Beggenhof. After lunch, head back into the city and visit Bloemen Market, the world's only floating flower market. Rows of stalls line the canal, selling vibrant tulips, bulbs, and other plants. Even if you're not looking to buy, it's a beautiful place to walk through, and the colors and fragrances are sure to lift your spirits. Next, stroll over to the Beggenhof, a quiet courtyard hidden in the heart of the city. Dating back to the 14th century, this serene garden is a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of Amsterdam. It's one of the oldest inner courtyards in the city and offers a glimpse into the city's religious history. Evening. Dinner in Day 9 Straatjes. End your trip in Day 9 Straatjes, the 9 streets, a charming area filled with boutiques, cafes, and restaurants. For your final dinner, head to restaurant De Vlif Vliegen, a historic restaurant that serves up traditional Dutch cuisine with a modern twist. The building itself is a piece of history, with 5 connected 17th century houses. After dinner, pop into one of the cozy cafes for a nightcap as you reflect on your amazing trip to Amsterdam. The unique blend of history, culture, and modern charm will surely leave you with unforgettable memories. Amsterdam is beautiful year-round, but the best time to visit is during spring, March to May, when the tulips are in bloom. Summer offers long, warm days perfect for canal cruises, though it can get crowded. Autumn brings stunning fall foliage and fewer tourists, while winter is the time for festive lights, cozy cafes, and the chance to ice skate on the frozen canals if you're lucky. And that's a wrap on our 3-day adventure in Amsterdam. From its famous canals and museums to its hidden neighborhoods and markets, this city truly has something for everyone. I hope this guide helps you plan an unforgettable trip. So, what's your favorite part of Amsterdam? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.